Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. Today we are going to our new chapter, Chotu's house. Now I introduce to you a new friend. His name is Chotu. Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. Here he had no any shelter to stay or any relatives, nothing here. So with great confusion he is standing over there. You know that Mumbai city is very busy city. Here he is searching for to find out a shelter. So next suddenly it starts to rain. To escape from the rain, he searched to find out a shelter. Finally, he saw a big pipe laid over there. So he ran near the pipe and to protect himself from the rain, he entered inside the pipe and started to live there. In Mumbai city, you know that very busy city. Here some families, some people are living inside the pipe. They are using the pipe as their dwelling place. So you have to look the picture. You can see many members are living inside the pipe. They are using the pipe as their dwelling place. Later, he decided to make that pipe as his shelter, and he divided the pipe into different areas. In our home also, we know that there are different areas. We are using different areas, different parts in our home also. For example, sit out, dining hall, bedroom, drawing room, kitchen, work area. Like that many parts is there. So we are using all these parts for our different purposes. Right? You know that the bedroom, we are taking rest in the bedroom. In kitchen, we are cooking food. Like that. So the Chotu also decided to divide the pipe into different areas. Look at the picture. You can see how does he divide the pipe into different areas. Inside the pipe, he used as his bedroom. And the upper part of the pipe, he used to dry his clothes. And the outside area he used as his kitchen and the place to store water. And one side of the pipe he used as a sit out. And the picture you can see the 6 images is given. You can clear observe the picture. You can see how does the Chotu divide the pipe into different areas. After some time, he met one more boy in the Mumbai city. He is also standing with a great confusion. So Chotu realized that that boy also have no any shelter in the Mumbai city like him. He invited that boy. That boy's name is Monu. Chotu invited Monu to stay with him. He shared the pipe with the Monu. So they are very good friends and they are living together in the pipe. So in the outside area, they are using as a sit out and they are sitting and having food from that area. So our home is, we are very sensitive towards our home because we are love our home very much. The last chapter I told you, like as a family, our very much like our home. Clear now how does the Chotu divide the pipe for different purposes. So no, in the house, not only us, some other members also living with us. Some animals are we using for our other users. For example, cow. Cow give us milk, goat give us milk, and hen give us egg, like that. For our uses, we are rearing some animals in our home. Other than these animals, some animals are living us with as uninvited guests. That also we studied earlier. What is the uninvited guest? Without inviting, they are living with us. So children, we have to realize that our home is not for us only, that for other animals also. Some other animals are living with us in our home as uninvited guests. And you know the examples: cockroach, spider, ants, housefly, like that. Some insects and some other small animals also living with us. So our home is very sweet home. We are thinking like that. But some other animals also right to live with us in our home. Clear? So in our home, once again we can go to the different parts of area. In our home there are different parts is there. We all are living inside the home for using this area for different purposes also. So do you have to clean your home? Yes. We help our mother to clean our home. And one more area is that and the very necessary area is that's the toilet, that we not mention. Is it toilet also one of the main part of our home? Is it? So all of you know how to use the toilet, how to make our toilet become hygienic, everything know. And how to sit properly in the toilet, how to use the toilet, everything we know. To flush with plenty of water, after that wash our body and also our hands with soap. And also we use chappals inside the toilet, like that. So the toilet is one of the most important part of our home. In olden days, the people are using the outside area as their toilet. But nowadays, not such a condition. Every home have more than one toilet is there. We are keeping our toilet very hygienic also. Right? So here the Gandhiji, you know the Gandhiji, our Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji's 115th birthday. One project is launched, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This project assures a message to us. Cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. Cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. So we have to keep our house clean. That's everyone's duty to keep house very clean, and our surroundings that make our society also become very clean. So remember that Gandhiji's 115th birthday Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched. It will give us a great message that cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. So you have to give the awareness to others also about the cleanliness. It should be hygienic. Otherwise what happen if you are keeping our toilet in unhygienic condition? You know that the condition is for the growth of different types of germs. These germs causes many diseases. So everything should be hygienic. Next we know that in some occasion we are decorated our home very beautifully. Which are the occasions we are decorating our home beautifully? Any function or any festival, we are decorating our homes with which are the materials we used to decorate our home? Some rangoli designs, some colorful lights, flowers, wall hangers, pictures, and many items we used to decorate our home. Right? In which occasion you are decorating your Bakrid? Yes, Bakrid, you are decorate your home with many colorful lights and many pictures, photos, and flowers like that. Why we are decorating our home? We love our home. We very sensitive to our home. So we decorate our home very beautifully in some special occasions. Clear? Some textbook book work also there. You have to do that as a homework, and we can see the next class. Bye.